guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a back to school haul. I did get some quite expensive things, and then I also went to Daiso yesterday and did just like a whole haul from there because they have the cutest and pretty cheap school supplies. Don't forget to subscribe before you get into the video, but let's just get into it. So I'm not wearing my glasses today because I am sick of wearing glasses, and yes, it's a little bit blurry, but you know what? We're just gonna troop through it together. Now we're gonna do expensive stuff first because I know you guys are nosy like me and you want to see what I literally spent a fortune on. And the first thing that I got is the iPad Pro. I did get the 12.9 inch and it has cellular on it. So the way I thought about this is like, I have the MacBook Pro, like the really big one. Yeah, I care about it a lot and I don't want to be, not that I don't care about this, but I don't want to be lugging it around to class every single day, and I don't even know if I would have a backpack or a bag that would fit that in. I did already set her up, which is why she's out of the box, but she is brand new. She is stunning. The guy kind of sold me on it because he showed the iPad, what is it, iPad Air, I think? And the color was just very different. The next thing I got to go with it is the Apple Pencil, and this is the Generation 2. Nothing more satisfying than literally unboxing. So here, oh my gosh, not it falling out. Here she is. I did just pick it up from Target. I didn't want to have to wait because my school is literally starting tomorrow. So, okay, this sounds dumb, but I genuinely didn't realize how much it's designed like a legitimate pencil. Like, it has the groove in the front, and then the tip of it is like a pen or a pencil. Yeah, so the other aspect I thought about with the iPad is I've seen a lot of people like on TikTok, let's be real, on TikTok, unbox these iPads and they connect it with their Apple Pencil. The iPad can dual be used as a notebook. Welcome to Apple Pencil. I literally just put it on the side on the little magnet. Ew, I hate my handwriting. Hey, besties. Oh, I see. It's making it into regular text. He. Okay, I'm not gonna bore you guys with the rest of this. The next thing I got, which is kind of the counterpart to the Apple Pencil, I literally just balled out, is the iPad Magic Keyboard, and I got it in the white color because I thought that was really cute. I looked up like, is the Magic Keyboard worth it? And apparently it does like really change the experience with the iPad, and it's really durable. I did test it in the Apple Store and the keys kind of feel exactly like what a MacBook Pro would feel like. You put the keyboard on and then you can use the port that's on the bottom of the iPad to like attach USB cords or any of the attachments that you can get. So here she is. Ooh, it does feel like already a lot more strong than what I initially thought. Oh, and I like how it has like a silicone material. It's really soft. I don't know if you can even see anything, but it basically has the Apple logo right in the center. Like, this keyboard is literally like a MacBook keyboard. And then it has this cursor. I'm just gonna, oh my God. That's literally, okay, careful with your fingers, and then you can kind of bend it and twist it to however you want it to go. As you can tell, I have a fall background because of course. I don't know if you can see, but my little cursor is moving and like touching these things. Yeah, it's kind of hard to show, but you get the idea. The other thing is like, this is relatively light. Like, it's enough to be able to carry around school. Up next, I have my little Daiso haul. Well, little, let's be honest, it's me, you guys. So why don't I just start off with something that's not necessarily office supplies, but is needed for school. I know I literally just said in my last video that I have way too many Rilakkuma masks. I bought another one, okay? Just to be fair, okay, let me just show you and just stop talking. So I got the strawberry Rilakkuma mask, which I thought was so cute. And you guys, is it really my fault? Like, I've been dying to get this color because the first time I just got the one and then I realized I really liked the cloth masks there. I went back and the strawberry one was never in stock. When I tell you, it was never ever in stock. And of course, the time that I come to only buy school supplies, it's in stock. So Oh, I did buy it. Yeah, I bought it. I also get the filters from there. All right, so the next thing I bought is this really cute Rilakkuma notebook. This is basically what I'm gonna be using. I did think to myself, are people gonna judge me in class because I have this cutesy notebook? They might, but do I care? Absolutely not. So here we are. I didn't realize it was gonna say Rilakkuma at the top, so that might be interesting if I need to turn into paper. That's fine. It's fine. I got this cute ballpoint pen and it has like this really cute Rilakkuma design. I also got this mechanical pencil with like a space Rilakkuma. I got, I believe it's like highlighters, but honestly, I also got this in case I get bored and I want to draw. I feel like I can use these as highlighters. There's like really fluorescent colors at the bottom and then like a blue and an orange, or a blue and a pink at the top. Oh my gosh. Tell me why I can't take the cap off. That might be problematic for in class, but yeah, that's what they look like. Of course, I got the extra mechanical pencil thingies. The next thing I got is this cute, I think it's like a vanilla ice cream scented eraser, and it has like its own little case. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of a pain to open because they put like this paper sticker on top of the opening. But I do want to smell it for you guys. Here she is in all her glory. Finally got it out. Ooh, it actually kind of smells like vanilla custard, kind of. It's really soft. It's not like any eraser I've felt before. Like it's really, really soft and moldable. Oh my God. Is this clay? No, kneaded eraser, sweet scented. Stretchy eraser. This literally feels like clay. Like I can squish it like actual clay. Like I literally think I can mold stuff out of this. It smells good and it's squishy. So you know what? It's like having slime in class. The next thing is this stapler. You can never go wrong with a stapler in case you need to staple. So the next thing I got is this seemingly boring pencil case. However, the way that I reasoned with this, well, first of all, it has this cool area for like erasers, and then this is just really for like pens and pencils. I can put stickers on it because it's clear, so that's gonna be perfect. And then everything can just fit in here nicely. My little weird clay eraser. Oh, my little weird clay eraser does not fit. I might have to just yeet this case because honestly, the case sucks anyways. Why is my eraser stuck? Why is my eraser stuck? This is so chaotic right now. This is literally my life. But everything fits in there nicely, and just throw some stickers on it and everything is healed. All of the trauma of the chaos that's happening right now is healed. The next thing I did get is these sticky tabs. I thought since I'm only gonna have really like one notebook, even if I do get another one afterwards, for now I can just label these and kind of maybe have a color for each class. The next things I got, I guess it's not technically school supplies, but it was in the school supplies area, so I got really, really cute magnets. Okay, let me just show you. Oh, how cute are these magnets? I got these. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I'm gonna stick them on the fridge. I'm gonna put my like best work and stick it on the fridge for my boyfriend to see, just so I can use these magnets. I got a bunch of air fresheners because I've also never seen these before, and they're so, so cute, okay? This first one is a vanilla flavor or scent, and it's this little cat with an ice cream. The next one, of course, I got a Rilakkuma one. It's, I think, yeah, strawberry flavor. Why am I saying flavor? Like, as if I'm gonna eat these. I got this alpaca in the peach scent, and it's just like this baby blue one. And I got this cherry one, which is this little hamster holding a heart. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Definitely hit up Daiso for some cutesy stuff if you guys feel like it and you saw anything you liked. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go. But yeah, have a cute ass day. Bye guys.